Marriage is what brings us all together.
Living my best life. Yeah, living my best life. I've been living my best life.
Will, do you take Áine as your wife?
I do.
Hold on a minute. Bit eager here, I know, all right. Okay, we'll cut that and we'll just go back again.
Finally, the main event. The new Mrs. Richardson.
I'm finally a Richardson.
Áine is the kindest, most compassionate, one of the most hardworking people, and one of the funnest people I've ever met in my entire life.
Will takes great pleasure in making sure people know I messaged him.
Áine messaged me 11 years ago.
And you know what? I'm so proud of that 23-year-old me.
I knew so early on that it was the real deal for me. I had to find some kind of way of making a nice romantic gesture to her. So week after week, month after month, I grinded away learning Irish. Only to be told I'd learned the wrong dialect of Irish.
I asked the kids to give me a few words on how they'd describe Daddy. Loving, hilarious, fun, joyful, playful, hardworking, and bold.
Will loves an adventure, which is why it's no surprise he's with you, Áine.
You are both made for each other, and I have no doubt that you both will have the happiest and the most loving life together.
Most of you know now that Brian is my uncle. Brian actually married myself and Will quite a few years ago. It was in Irish. Will hadn't a clue what was going on. He said the blessing, blessed yourselves, closed the book and said, "Right, Will, that's you married now." Will's face was like dropped. It's nice to have it officially sealed, the deal today.
We do something a little different in our family. When I need people to get out of the household, I shout a certain phrase.
Anytime we're leaving the house, Will always shouts, "Richardsons assemble," and now I have to listen.
And after the count of 3, I'd like you to join me in saying, "Richardsons assemble." Three, two, one. Richardsons assemble!
After Prosecco, my boot is feeling great and I don't have my boot on, but I can't wait to shake my booty with you all on the dance floor later. Health, happiness, and friends for life. Love you all.
I've had some good days, and I've had some.
Ava and Reuben, we're the luckiest parents to have you as our kids.
I think you guys have absolutely stolen the show today. Ava, you're unbelievably beautiful. You are the best daughter I could ever wish for. Thank you for sharing today with us and making it that extra bit more special for us. You are the best little boy. I'm utterly amazed your suit is still clean. You are fantastic, and I'm so proud of our little family.
You are both very different to each other and very special in your own ways. You fill all our days with fun and laughter. And watching you both grow into strong, loving and hilarious little people is one of the most beautiful things to watch.
'Cause this was the best day of my life. Thanks for the
You're the most supportive, hardworking and loving husband I could ask for. I'm very proud of us. We depend on each other a lot. And we always manage to laugh our way through life and see the positives. Life is much better with you, and I'm excited to see where the future holds for us. May your tears come from laughing, you find friends worth having. As every year passes, they mean more than gold. It's a lovely stage in life when you realise that the most important things are the people around you.
The thing is though, Áine, I do and I have had some Donegal Irish lessons and a secret tutor. So Áine, tá ma chríostí in it, go ramíle moigat as an takeid a hugan to do a goni, agus a bheith a casuas na hudja nosa na fosta. Áine, I can't imagine my life without you. You are the best person I know. I can't wait to find out what is next for us.
This was the best day of my life. Thanks for the best day of my life.